Ordinary people have the same veins pumping blood that race like flames in their heart. Creases cause pains to run down their legs and over muscles, but we seek gains instead of complain. Ordinary people keep running, loving, giving, until the extra of our ordinary becomes flighty, uncontrollable of time, and we fall in love and drink red wine that runs over our hearts as passion becomes rain from our kisses. And we repeat the same game. Ordinary people watch the sun shine upon others until it lands on us. We gleam at its brightness, but never settle for a next day will come. Tomorrow is not promised, they say. Eternity never escapes us. Tomorrow is the best of days. Ordinary people.